Are you ready to increase TikTok views? Live streaming is changing social media. Use Restream to expand your audience. Creators face challenges in engaging viewers. Restream improves your TikTok live experience significantly. Post reaction videos and invite up to 10 guests for live engagement. Enhance your streams with collaborative reactions. Want to showcase products? Use unboxing lives and Restream's shopping features with scannable QR codes to boost sales. Share gaming highlights and replays to captivate gamers. Repurpose content effectively and find optimal posting times. Beauty creators can shine with makeup tutorials. Integrate QR codes for affiliate links, enabling instant shopping for viewers. How-to videos can benefit from screen sharing and multiple camera options. Utilize interactive streams and custom graphics for viewer engagement. Restream connects you to TikTok easily, making TikTok live free and accessible for everyone. Monetize your TikTok live streams with brand sponsorships and live gifts. Maximize your earning potential using Restream's tools. The possibilities are endless. Combine TikTok's reach with Restream's features. Experiment and grow your online presence. Transform your TikTok experience today. Start streaming creatively with Restream.